In today's fast-moving web development world, delivering robust web code quickly is paramount. Adopting the DevOps way to achieve this means developers and operations teams want to have their development environment and production environments as closely matched as possible. Developers and operations teams also need the control and predictability which comes with deployment automation. Developers want to make sure the code they cut on their machine will work in the production environment as effectively as it works on their local development environment. A website production environment may include database, application servers, web servers, load balancers, and various other behind-the-firewall servers. Luckily, there are well-known methods available today for bringing these behind-the-firewall servers and configuration to the developer's machine. Many websites now also include the benefits of distributed reverse proxy servers or content delivery networks in the production infrastructure. Up until now, developers have not been able to include these CDNs as part of their development environment. A CDN is an edge compute platform which affects the way a website is experienced by an end user. These effects cannot be replicated on the developer's machine. The effect of the CDN on the developer's code is not understood until the code hits production. Sometimes the effect of the CDN clashes with the code deployed, causing sites to break or slow down, browsers to be blocked, or even security issues. When problems occur in production, they are more expensive to find and fix as compared with finding them at the developer desktop. Often, the response to finding those problems is to turn off the CDN feature which is causing the issue. Valuable CDN optimization, caching, or security features are muted or turned off. When you think about it, this is actually a roundabout way of making the production environment more aligned with the developer environment. Section.io solves the problem by allowing developers to run the exact copy of a distributed reverse proxy tier, a CDN, on their development environment. Developers can test and debug their work, viewing it through exactly the same proxy stack as that through which the end users will see it. Operations or developers who are responsible for turning on or tweaking the CDN settings can add, change, or delete proxy settings on their local desktop and test before promoting those new proxy configurations to production in an automated fashion. Section.io keeps the configuration of development, test, and production proxy stacks in sync using familiar git pull, commit, and deploy processes. And the Section.io command line interface provides the familiar and simple commands to section up the proxy stack locally. In summary, CDNs include great features which are often turned off when problems arise in production. This can be avoided if the CDN is included in the development process. Section.io gives control of the edge compute part of a website delivery platform back to the developers. Developers can manage, share, and promote the CDN configuration in an automated fashion with their colleagues. And developers can test their website development code on their machines, inclusive of the effect of the CDN.